Yes, my name is Annie, and I am here for Gurgaon. And currently, I am working. And in my education, I have done PGDM. Like it's a, you can say, post graduation. All right. And since I was in class 9, I used to go to watch theaters with my brother. And my hometown is in Bareilly. So there is a theater. It is called Windermere. There's one doctor, Dr. Brajeshwar Singh, who runs that theater. So every year there is a theater fest in which people come from everywhere, like from Mumbai, from Delhi. So many people participate in that, and that is how I developed that habit of going to theater every year. And somehow I also participated once when I was in 12th standard, but I couldn't go with it because my family didn't allow, and many things were there. But still, I feel I am somehow connected to theater. Ma'am, from this workshop, I only expect that if I can get into theater anyhow and I can learn those things because I'm unable to go otherwise. So, this can help me to get into theaters or even learn slightly things about it so that I can go through it because NSC is very near to it Delhi. And I have been to Mandi House also twice, but I couldn't, start up with anything because I didn't have that much time.
So from day one, since I have begun this workshop, I had no idea that I'll be learning so much over here. तो सबसे पहले तो स्टार्टिंग में जब ज्वाइन करा था तो हमने बेसिक चीज़ें सीखी अपना कि थिएटर क्या है, क्यों करते हैं और वो हमें क्या देता है. हमने स्टार्टिंग में वॉइस एक्सरसाइजेस करी, वॉइस एक्सरसाइजेस, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन, टंग ट्विस्टर्स, ये सब करा था हमने. AEIOU वॉल्स वगैरह सारी चीज़ें, डिफरेंट टाइप के वर्ड्स, डिफरेंट टाइप के टंग ट्विस्टर कैसे बोलते हैं, वो सब सीखा. फिर उसके बाद हमें एक स्क्रिप्ट दी गई, हमने उसको याद करके परफॉर्म करना था. वो हमारा पहली बार था तो थोड़ा वो हमने कैमरे में पहली बार ऐसा परफॉर्म करा. देन आफ्टर दैट हमारी जर्नी बढ़ती गई आगे. धीरे धीरे हमें पता चला नवरस क्या होता है. सो आई यूज्ड टू थिंक दैट थिएटर इज ऑल अबाउट एक्टिंग, बट इट इज सो मच मोर. नवरस के बारे में जाना. सबसे अच्छा मुझे ये लगता है कि अब मैं कैमरे से बात करती हूँ फ्रीली. इवन घर पे वर्कशॉप हो रही है तो ये पॉसिबिलिटी, अदरवाइज आई वुड बी देयर ऑन द स्टेज. I would like to do that sometime also. So कैमरा एडजस्ट करना, कैमरा फिक्स करना, उसमें आपका हमने बेसिक जाने. स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग क्या होती है, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग के साथ साथ कितने टाइप के थिएटर्स होते हैं, इंडोर थिएटर, आउटडोर थिएटर, और आपके कोलोजियम वगैरह, बहुत चीज़ें देखा. और थिएटर में ये नहीं कि अगर आप हैं तो सिर्फ आपको एक्टिंग करनी है, आपको हर चीज़ में पार्ट लेना है. आपको जो काम दिया जाएगा यू हैव टू डू इट. देयर इज़ नो गोइंग बैक वंस यू आर इन थिएटर. सो उसमें अगर आपको साउंड डिज़ाइनिंग में डाला जा रहा है, आप वहाँ पे जाएंगे. आपको लाइट्स में डाला जा रहा है, आप वहाँ जाएंगे. मैंने साउंड डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में सीखा, मैंने लाइट्स के बारे में सीखा, मैंने सेट डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में सीखा, स्क्रिप्ट राइटिंग के बारे में सीखा, और स्टेज डिज़ाइनिंग के बारे में सीखा. Everything was like I have learned most of the things from this workshop and they were really good. And what it has given, we self created a script. We were not provided with any dialogues, we were not provided with a number of characters. We just created them, we created the dialogues. It was the beauty of it that at the end we learned how to make a script, how to perform, and the dialogue delivery and everything. The Navras is very important and it was really good to experience that. Also, there were after Navras there were there was color theory, like what every color depicts. We learned about that also. Then these new words I heard about, strike out, load in. I didn't know what they were, so I got to know about it. Now it is horse mouth that I learned. we were also provided in the between with some scripts to learn. So we also did some assignments. It was a great journey. Now I think that what I'll be doing in the evening every day. I wish to do it every day. It was an amazing experience. I would really like to do it more, and I would really like to do it on this stage instead of doing it like this. Just because of Corona, we are doing it like this. So I hope everything gets better and we meet soon.